guys, welcome back again to our tutorial. And today our tutorial is all about doing part number 2 of our packeting. Now we are going to do the pre-concave figure. So we are going to draw our figure, not just like a square. Let's begin, guys. Go to edit again, upper folder, and go to tutorial, same as before, open, new. So we called it packeting pre-concave, then open. Again, go to fix form, program start, select, insert, and a block, again fix form, tool start, and we are going to alter this one. Our radius is 6 mil. So I made this very simple drawing. So our block is 60 by 60, and this is the part that we are going to machine, the inside. So we have 6 mil radius, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and this one is 15, and that one is 50, and this one also 50, and this one is 25. We are going to use tool number 63 and 63, tool 63, 863, D63, and we put our name, 10 mm end mill. Use carbide, alter, and we are going to compute our spindle speed, same process. So we use 120 meters per minute times 1000, divide 3.14, divide 10, so 3821, and we go to our cycle, and again packeting. So we go for wrapping, select. So again, we don't need to fill in those having asterisk, input, so that you can go to the next blank. Just press input. We are going to use 10 mil. Let's make our depth of radius L, let's say 6.5, and our J, we can do full cut. Let's say the depth of our packet is 10 mil. So we can go 10 mil, or too much, maybe 5 mil. Finish amount 0.25, 0.1 on Z, and we are going to compute our feed rate, same process. So we are going to use 0.15 per tooth, and we have 4 flute. So 0.15 times 4, 0.6, 0.6 times 3821. This is our spindle speed. So that's our feed rate, 2292, 2292. And say this going down, is down cut, clearance of radius B, or clearance of C-axis 10, that's okay. And we are going to cut angle is 80. We go for helical, cut angle is 80, say 8, 500. Insert. Now we are going to use this one. So we are going to draw our figure. Select figure type, concave, X start point. So you can choose where do you want to start your X. So this is our X, this is our Y, the vertical is the Y, and the horizontal is the X. So let's say we are going to start from this point. So we are going to start from this point at the middle. So that one is, let's say guys, our X0, Y0 is at the middle of our block. So we go to X0, and our Y is, if that one is 50, that point is 25, and base position Z is 0 again, and our depth, height or depth is, let's say, minus 10 mil. Okay, and then we are going to draw from this point going to this point. We are going to line going to the left, and then that one is 50, so it will become minus 25 because our datum is at the middle. Then nothing, then okay. And then guys, we are going down, so we are going down to this line. Instead of doing the radius, we will do this one later on. All the radius we will do that one at the end. I will show you how easy to do the radius. And then we are going to, if that one is 15, half of 15 is 7.5. So line again down 7.5, that's plus. Then nothing, okay. And then guys, we are going to our x0, so line again, and then going to the right, 0, nothing, okay. And then we are going down to line again, and then down, minus 7.5, and then we are going back this point, which is minus 25, so line again, then going to the left, minus 25, nothing, okay. Go to line again, and going down, we are going to this point, so minus 25, input, nothing, okay. And then we are going to line, right, plus 25, nothing, okay. And then line, going up, and we are going to this point, 25, nothing, okay. And then we are going back to our position, that's line, and going to the left, 0. So now we have drawn now the our shape. So we have now the shape except for the radius. So now we are going to do the radius one. Let's go back to our start point and use this cursor to highlight this one. And then you are going to press this CR or corner radius, and we have 6 mil, so 6 input, okay. Then again, just do the same on all of them, 6 again. So guys, that's how you put your radiuses. This one, 6 again, radius. This is the last radius we have, so 6 mil. So now guys, we have our shape, and then we are going to create and go to fix form to select tall end. Now guys, we have our wrapping program, and we are just going to copy this one for our finishing. So copy, highlight the program, copy, and then paste. Then we can make this one M30. And then guys, we are just going to remove this line. That's our packaging wrapping, so we can delete it. And we are going to go to cycle again and select packaging bottom finish, then input, because we don't need to put this one. So we are going to put our depth cut of radius, so 6.5, same the one we had before. And then our feed before is 2292. Let's say we make this one, make it 1000, and we are not going to change anything on this. Then insert, then you will ask again to select the milling figure. So we don't need this one guys, because we didn't delete the XY pre-concave that we have before on the wrapping. So we are just going to cancel, and we have this one. So that's how easy guys when you do the packeting on manual guide eye on FANUC series. This is our horizontal mill FANUC series 31i model B. So guys, we have now our program for wrapping and finishing of our packet. So we are just going to try this one later on after the job is done. And let's see if our programming is going to work. So I will go to background end. Okay guys, so let's find out if our program for pre-concave figure is going to work. So auto simulation process. So we can make this one a little bit small and single block. So looks like that's what we want, guys. So I am very happy on this program, and this is our finishing, same tool. And guys, we can change, let's try to change our depth of cut. Say we make this one 2 mil, alter, simulation, and let's go to X and Y and start. It should end to 9.9. Let's go on single block so that we can see it one by one. So we are on -6. -9.9 because we set our depth to -10. And this is our final cut, the finishing one. It should go to -10. Single block. Guys, -10. So we achieved the shape we want. Up. Okay guys, thank you for watching on this tutorial video on pre-concave figure on packeting. I hope you like it and you enjoy watching this tutorial, and you could please do me a favor to share this video on your friends or relatives on your Facebook, so that lots of aspiring to become a machinist can see this one and they can learn also. While they are watching, they are enjoying to watch the video. And also guys, shout out to all my subscribers for always supporting my tutorial video and all my videos, and for all those who have not yet subscribed to our channel, please do consider subscribing, and please leave a comment down below that you subscribe, and I will try my best to reply to you as soon as I can. And I read all the messages that you putting on our video, and that's all guys, and see you next time on our next vlog.